chose to take the goats out and just to do some free range, as you can see. I my people, it's your boy once again. It's your boy Tony Mushiri. On YouTube I go by the name Tony Mushiri Official. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is another episode whereby I'm back to the village and I'm doing this video that I want to feed my pigs, and I'm going to show you the type of feed I usually give to my pigs. Then after I'm done, I'm just going to clean. For today I'm not going to wash, I'm just going to sweep, but I'll just wash that place. So I'll connect the water and wash. So I'm going to give them the fins. I've already mixed the fins. You can see how my ants are. So let me show you the type of feed I usually give. So this type of feed I usually give to my pigs. I'll be explaining. I earned a big soy, like I'll be explaining where I took it. Like I told you in my previous video, I'll take it to a boar. I got a good boar from a friend of mine. That lady has been so encouraging me when it comes to the to layering of pigs. She has been sharing a lot of information to me, and like I can say, she has mentored me a lot. So I took my pig there yesterday, and today I'm going to feed just the piglets. So for me, I usually prefer giving them this kind of fins that is already, can I say, diluted and all. Let me use that term, whereby I've mixed the dry fins. I've mixed the dry fins with the water. For me, I prefer it that way. There is so many people have been having a lot of discussions. So let me give a bit to the dog. So that's my Kenyan Shepherd by the name Simba. You can see it's eating. Yeah, it usually love to take these fins too. So there have been a lot of debates whether you should give your pigs either dry fins or so some people usually have give them the unga. They usually give them the dry fins. That is and now they put water on a different place. But as for me, I usually prefer giving them the wet fins. So on the comment section, you can tell me what your take. Maybe those who have pigs, how do you do, or how do you go about it? What do you prefer? What do you prefer giving to your pigs? Do you mix your fins with water, or you give them the dry fins and now they take water from a different place? So let's get to let me hear from you. Comment, just let me know. Maybe you can share, and maybe you can tell me the importance of how have you found it when you give your pigs the dry fins. But for me, like you can see, my piglets are just doing good, like from when they were young, or even I've been feeding the mothers that way, whereby I mix my fins. For me, that one I usually prefer it because one of the things like I make that when they have their fins, when it's already mixed with water, maybe there is a shortage of water, so maybe you are assured that your pigs are taking water. Imagine whereby you give your pigs the dry fins and maybe there is no water. Maybe you are using the nipples like I do. That is my water nipple, and maybe you are like, maybe we say you aren't aware that there is no water. You see, your pigs may end up dying maybe. So for me, I usually prefer mixing my fins with water. So you can see, say hi. So they are just marrying the fins. You can see they have just felt the smell of the fins, and now they want the. So I'm going to just get in. Just I sweep while I'm going to feed them while I sweep, and then I wash that side, just that corner. That way I'm going just to wash. So enjoy the video as I clean and just feed them. So I'll just get in. I'm not going to use the door. I'm just going to get in. I place my fins here. I just have to get in and just maybe try to remove some of these avocado stuffs, like the coatings of the avocado, and so then I just give them, but I usually film them from outside, but today I've entered because I'm just going to wash and do the cleaning. So while they enjoy their meal, I'm just going to sweep. Because this place is a bit is dry, there is no need of washing. I'm just going to sweep. And bear with me, I'm so dirty. I've been from the farm, so just bear with me. Just enjoy the video, my people. And another thing you have to do, you have to be measuring. You don't just give your pigs fins anyhow. Like you measure the fins. Like for me, for these ones, they are taking 3 kgs in a day. So they are taking 1.5 kg in the morning, and in the evening, like now, I give them 1.5 kgs. But as they grow, I'm going to want the ratio. Previously, they have been taking 2 kgs. They went to 2.5. Now they are at 3 kgs. Let me just go and open. I just want to go and open the water. I'm back. So I was opening the water. Stop fighting! Stop! So I'm just going to clean this place.
Space.
We're on record. So I'm almost done. I was cleaning just this corner, and it's okay that way. Oh my! Just have to drain these away. So the place is okay. I know it's not hygienic to enter here with sandals, but with time I shall be buying gumboots and all that, and maybe an apron. Yeah. So I'm just done. So it was simply just sweeping the dry part and where they usually place their waste. So I just want to wash that place, and that is it. So I'm just going to clean the other pen. As I wait, I took the saw to the bowl, so I'm just going to clean that place very fast for it to be dry. So when the soil will be back, it will just enter into a clean place. So let's catch up in the next room, the next unit. Imagine so you can see my 2 units are just very empty. Yeah, but I took the saw that was in this place to the door. So simply this is how I clean. You can have a brush, or even you can just use a. Just choose to take the goats out and just to do some free range. As you can see, it's a boy, it's a boy, it's a boy. So I'm just doing some free range, and I got the dog here. Go Simba with me. Stop, 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 stop. So I'm just doing a free range. Yep, just doing some free range. So enjoy. This is a cassava plant. some goat farming.